Welcome back, and I'm going to play this quick game where I'm gonna see what I get, what fidget toy I get. Okay. Okay. Oh, oops. Close my eyes. Oh, I got this. Okay, next toy. I'm gonna have to tape it back up, guys. Hold on a second. I'm a banana. Okay, it's good enough, I guess. That's good enough. I don't care. Wait, where did the pencil go? Okay. So, it's prepared. I put the toy back in. Wait, no, I should take the toy back out. Put the toy out. And just... Fidget bracelet. Next up is I'm going to tape it up again. I'm going to keep taping it up until I get most of the fidgets. Okay. It's going to be a waste of tape. It's going to be fun. Just saying. My mom's a teacher, so I have a lot of school. Monkey noodle, so fun. Got this fidget one. I love snappers. Snappers are the best. Just saying, they're the best. It's for real. For real, they're actually the best. For real. For the realness. My favorite are the snappers. What's your favorite? Comment down below. Okay, time to poke it. Okay. I got another snapper, 2 snappers. This one's a prettier color, but harder to snap. And this one's a little less prettier color, but so much easier to snap. And I got a pop tube. Look at Poppy. Oh, I love that. And then I already got this one, but I'm into it. Oh, I love it. Okay, taping up time. Again, I'm always gonna do this thing. I'm gonna try to keep you on like a schedule every single day, guys. But just so you know, I have school every day except Saturday and Sunday. So like, just so you know, I'm gonna try to keep you updated. And yeah, this is my first video of doing this. So yeah, first video of doing this. Yeah, this thing's like overprotected. this fidget spinner puppet. I got this other fidget spinner puppet. I got this, I forgot what it's called, but I'll remember it. That stuff, and then I'm going to tape it all back up again. No, I ran out of tape.
You're a bum.
Guys, I ran out of tape, so I'm going to try to grab as much as possible. I could just get more because my mom's a teacher, so at 33 school. And this is destroyed. I'm going to break it off. Ooh. Mom, you're getting ripped now out of my pee. Oh, wow. Look at that. This is incredibly weird. It's hard to take this off. And okay. Still gonna close my eyes, guys. Oh, hey, mama. Okay. So I got another one. Got this phone. This mini pop tube, guys. Mini pop tube. Another mini pop tube. I got this snapping bracelet. This poppet ball. I have like 5 of these. This little thing. And yeah, that's it. Love you guys, peace.